Hello, all. So, to start from where we left off, that is how to practice. So, let's go back to our classrooms again. Remember the twinkle, twinkle, little star? What happened that day? Your teacher sang the song and you sang along with her, right? So, you listened and you sang. Listen, speak. This is all that I'm asking from you now. And this is the easiest and one of the most effective ways to learn this language. So, from today onwards, I'll be uploading one video each wherein you can do shadowing practice.
Amma, I bruised my leg.
Does it hurt?
It only hurts a little when I touch it.
All right, then there's nothing to worry. But how did this happen?
So we were playing Floor's Lava and I tried to jump over a table and I banged my leg against it. The table wasn't sharp.
Whoa, that was a close call. Let's put some ice on it, anyways.